Hello. Hello and welcome to Celestial Space Facts. What is a comet? A comet is a very small solar system body made mostly of ices mixed with smaller amount of dust and rock. Most comets are no larger than a few kilometers across. The main body of comet is called nucleus and it contains water, methane, nitrogen and other ices. When a comet is heated by the sun, its ices begin to sublate. The mixture of ice crystals and dust blows away from the comet's nucleus in the solar wind, creating a pair of tail. The dust tail is what we normally see when we see comet from Earth. A plasma tail also forms when molecules of gas are excited by interaction with solar wind. The plasma tail is not normally seen with the naked eye but can be imaged. Comets normally orbit the sun and have their origin in OORT cloud that we have explained before and Kuiper belt that also we have done this video, regions of outer solar space. Now some facts about the comets. There are many misconceptions about the comets, which are simply pieces of solar system ices traveling in the orbit around the sun. Here are some fascinating and true facts about comets. The nucleus of a comet is made of ice and can be as small as few meters across to giant boulders a few kilometers across. The closest point in the comet's orbit to the sun is called perihelion. The most distant point is called aphelion. As the comet gets closer to the sun, it begins to experience heat that causes some of its ices to sublate. If the ice is close to comet surface, it may form a small jet of material spewing out from the comet like mini geyser. Material streams from the comets and populates the comet's orbit. If Earth or another planet happens to move through that stream, those particles fall to the Earth as meteor shower. As a comet gets close to the sun, it loses some of its mass due to the sublimation. If a comet goes around enough times, it will eventually break up. Comets also break up if they came too close to the sun or another planet in their orbits. Comets are usually made of frozen water and super cold methane, ammonia, and carbon dioxide ices. Those are mixed with rock, dust, and other metallic bits of solar system debris. Comets have two tails, a dust tail, which you can see with the naked eye, and a plasma tail, which is easily photographed but difficult to see with your eyes. Comet orbits are usually elliptical. Many orbits formed in the OORT cloud and Kuiper belts, two of the outermost region of solar system. Comets are not spaceship or alien bases. They are fascinating bits of solar system material that date back to the formation of sun and planets. Comet naming. Comets come in several categories. The most common are periodic and non-periodic. In the past, comets were named for their discoveries such as Comet Halley for Sir Edmund Halley. In modern times, comet names are governed by the rules set forth by International Astronomical Unit IAU. A comet is given an official designation and can also be identified by the last names of up to the 3 independent discoverers. Here's how it works. Once a comet has been confirmed, the following name rules are formed. First, if the comet is periodic comet, then it indicates with the P followed by the year of discovery, a letter indicating the half month in which it was discovered, followed by a number indicating its order of discovery. So, for example, second period comet found in the first half of the January 2015 would be called P/2015 A2. A non-periodic comet would be indicated with C followed by the year of its discovery, a letter indicating the half of the month in which it was discovered, followed by the number. If the comet is independently discovered by three people named Smith, Jones and Peterson, it could also be called Comet Smith-Jones-Peterson in addition to its formal designation. Today, many comets are found through the automatic instruments searches, and the so formal designation are mostly commonly used. What are the famous comets? The famous comets. Well-known comets include the non-periodic comets Hale-Bopp C/1995-01, Hyakutake C/1996 B2, MC0 C 2006 P1 and Lovejoy C 2011 W3. These flared brightly in a sky and then faded into obscurity. In addition, comets Shoemaker-Levy 9 D 1993 F2 was spotted after it had broken up after a close call with the Jupiter. The D in its proper designation means it has disappeared or is determined to be no longer exist. More than a year later, the pieces of comets crashed into Jupiter. The periodic comet Halley IP-1P Halley is the most famous in history. It returns to the inner solar system once every 76 years. Other well-known periodic comets include 2P ENCKE, which appears over 3.3 years, and 9P Tempel TEMPEL2, which was visited by deep impact and stardust probes and make perihelion around the sun every 5.5 years. I hope this video will give you the whole knowledge about the comets, what are the comets, what are the facts of comets, how the naming of comets are done, and what are the famous comets we know till now. And if you like this video, if you get some knowledge about this video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Celestial Space Facts. Thank you. Have a nice day.